Hey guys, welcome back to CS Corner. Imagine a free agent building full apps. It has over 160,000 GitHub stars and was shocked. It gives the same power as Cursor. No credit card or subscription. So let's start the video. What is OpenCode actually? It's an AI developer in your terminal. You won't spend a single rupee, and it's completely free. So let's jump right into the setup. Trust me, it is super easy. I'll show you how to get it running and you'll see the magic happen. Let's get started right now.
So guys, before installing OpenCode, we have to install Git and Node.js. I have already installed in my system. I have given video link in description box. You can follow if it is not there on your system. And then guys, you can open any of your browser and just search opencode.ai. It will redirect you to official website, and here you can see it's showing 150k stars on GitHub. So OpenCode we can install using terminal, or we can download exe file also. So here is the code for terminal, but I'm not going to use terminal. I will be clicking on this download button. And now guys, just scroll down and here you can see we have OpenCode desktop for different operating system, Mac, Windows, Linux. So I'm going to install it for Windows. So here I'm going to click on this download button. So guys, my download has been started and it is done. So to install this, I'm simply going to click on this exe, and here guys it will hardly take time to install and the installation is succeeded. So guys, here it is showing me this screen. This is OpenCode, and I'm just clicking on this toggle sidebar to see my open project option. So here we have open project, recent project option. So I'm just going to click on open project and I'm going to take one of my folders. So I'm just creating one folder on desktop with a name test. You can create any folder, and I'm simply opening this folder. And here guys, now you can see it's showing us build anything. So guys, whatever you want to build, you need to simply provide to it, and below you can see it's showing models. So here we have so many models available, but there are certain free models, you can use them. So you can see DeepSeek, and there are many more models which are freely available, you can use them. So I'm going to use Minimax model. Minimax model, I'm going to use Minimax M3 model, and I'm going to paste this prompt over here. So this is a prompt which is going to create a app, AI assistant app for managing your task or to-do list, we can see, but it is AI assistant to-do list. So everything I have provided in this, so it is going to generate it. So I've just given this and I'm waiting for the result. So here it's showing 0 of 4 task is completed, so it will take time for completing the task, so we will wait for it. Okay guys, so my task is completed and now I'm literally waiting for the result. So here I'm just seeing what file it has generated. So it has generated index.html file and css file, as well as one js file it has generated, and it's showing what is the location where it has generated. Also it is showing how to run this particular file. So now I'm going to simply go to my this folder, this test folder, and I'm going to click on this index.html file, and you can see guys it has started in my browser, and here it's showing me some of the this shortcuts. So I don't need this shortcut at the beginning, so I'm just copying this. I'm just taking screenshot of this, and again I'm giving this to OpenCode that just resolve this. Sorted out everything and it has updated the file. Now I will go again to my test folder and let me start index.html again. And guys, here is the result. You can see it has created this website very beautifully. So many options we are having on this website. We have dash, we have my task, calendar, analytics, AI assistant, archive, and settings options we are having. And in dashboard it is showing everything, whatever task we have created and how much task is done, how much is pending, everything it is showing. And now you can create your new task also. So here at the top you can see new task option is there. You can just click on it and create it. So just giving title and then some description, and here we have priority, medium, low, like whether you want it to be done early or not, and then which category you want to put it, whether you want to put work or personal, something like that. And then you can provide due date and then estimated time for that particular task. And if you want to provide any tag, you can provide it. And now you can see my AI assistant has given it as high priority because the task date I have given for today. Even if I'm giving it for next day, then also it is giving me high priority. If I'm taking after 2-3 days, then my priority has been changed to medium priority. So my AI is deciding what is the priority of this task. Okay, so now then next thing is, guys, now here we have different tasks available. So if you have completed any task, just check mark it. It will show completed instead of pending. If you uncheck, then again it will show pending. Okay, my task option, and here you can see whatever tasks are there, it is showing all the tasks. Even you can filter the task based on completed, pending, and all that. And calendar is there where it is showing task on a particular day. And analytics, it is showing everything, like what type of task is there, how much task is pending, and all that it is showing. If I change anything in my task, it is reflecting in my analytics. So here you can see I'm just deleting some of the task completed or deleting. Even we have options for editing the task also. So here you can go to my task and you can select the task and you can edit it, you can delete it also, right? And then AI assistant, here we have AI assistant which is showing me everything about my so here we have AI assistant. So we have AI assistant which is showing everything about my task. And we have a theme also. You can switch from dark theme to light theme or light theme to dark theme. So it's showing me, good evening, your productivity score is 44 out of 100 because 3 tasks are due today and there are some tasks which has been completed. So based on my task completion, whether it is pending, how much is pending, how much is done, it is giving me score also. Okay, and also it is giving me some suggestions, smart priority suggestions. And you can see today's plan also it has shown. So everything is like done by AI assistant, it is calculating. Okay, so guys, I felt this is really very nice project which has been designed by open code, and I have not paid anything. You have just seen I have just downloaded the file and I have given prompt. So if you want this prompt, join my Telegram channel and you can get this prompt over there. And here I'm taking you back to my open code and I'm just opening this context of open code. Here it's showing me how much token it has utilized, how much percentage it has used, and when this has been done, everything it is showing. So guys, that's all for this video. I hope by following this video you are able to install open code and start coding with AI completely free, without any credit card, without any subscription. Guys, do let me in comment section which project you have made using this open code. And if this video help you, don't forget to hit like button, it really supports the channel. And if you have any question about open code setup, or if you get stuck somewhere, put it in comment box, I will surely help you. And guys, share this video with your friend who are learning to code. And I'm there on different social media. I have given all social media link in description box, you can certainly join that. And guys, I have another coding channel in Hindi, certainly you can subscribe to that channel also.
Join my Telegram and check out Code with Sunita. Subscribe and turn on the bell icon. Until then, keep learning, keep building, and keep coding.